Did you know that Voces allows you to edit or create your own rubrics? Simply find the page that has a rubric on it that you'd like to edit, scroll to the bottom and click Edit this page. Now click Edit Page Title here on the right, and you'll be able to edit the rubric requirements. You can also add a fifth level. You could change the questions, change each level description, and then you can save as a custom template. That'll let you save that template, and you can use that in the future and apply that to other activities that are rubric graded. Once you're done, just save your title changes, save the page, close out of the editor, and the changes will be live on the page.